Every grocery store in Philadelphia should be sold out of eggs so they can throw them at Jalen Hurts' house. I mean, seriously, but what are we doing on Monday Night Football throwing 4 picks and fumbling the football? That's terrible stuff, and that's a supposed Super Bowl MVP. Did not deserve it at all. But that's just one opinion, right? Maybe Jalen Hurts is secretly really good at football and he's just been hiding it from us all this time. I doubt it though. Let's play this. This should win it. I don't think Jalen Hurts is the guy, but the fans in Philadelphia will tell you he's the guy, and then they'll tell you that it's all Kevin Patullo's fault. It's the Eagles' offensive. But I don't think it's Patullo's fault. He didn't tell Jalen Hurts to throw 4 picks. Saquon Barkley is a little bit washed. I hate to say it, he is a little bit washed up. 2 free Celestial. After I bought the thing, of course. Not entirely free. Their cost is minimized. Take Doe as a backup hand, I suppose. I think I can live for one more with just the ice cream as a joker, but I don't want to go for much longer than this. Yeah. Ooh, that's getting close. It's getting close. Fairy hour. Maybe I look in here for a hermit, a judgment, a golden joker. Stuff. It'll probably be 2 flushes to get me out this time, but it's okay. Ice cream. Scaling downwards. Speaking of scaling downward, there's a game. It's, a daily game. I love my daily game. Daily game's not. There's a daily game called Velotrodal. It's like Velatro version of Wordle. But my gripe with it, right, is it has jokers like ice cream as scaling. It has them listed as scaling, even. I guess technically they are scaling, right? Scale downwards. I'm not a fan of you saying that ice cream's a scaling joker. Maybe I'm too woke for that take, but I'm not a fan of you calling it scaling. Say scaling chip joker, I think. A square joker, I think weed. I don't think ice cream. But apparently it is, and apparently I need to start thinking like maybe I wouldn't be so shit if I thought like that. Can I please have... I definitely want to do hearts because of the bloodstone joke. Hearts are just the superior suit. Now have a red seal king of hearts, which is very good. I would buy the gift card if it weren't eternal. I said I wanted to get out of the ice cream a while ago, but I haven't been able to find any other scoring. This doesn't win. Should take us to about 2,500. I'm gonna use both discards for lucky cards, maybe. I find them. That's no fun. Astronomer has made great value. One of my best purchases of the Astronomer. He gets a lot of hate, but he's okay. Give me a hermit, please. Get a death. That's not the move. Temperance is just the increase in heart to spade ratio isn't that worth it. I think this could be good. I think this could be temporary useful. Ball temporarily could. I say that because get a trigger off that. It's positive. No trigger there. Can't risk another one. Discard it. What I am gonna do, try to play toward the side. These are luckies. It's alright. Maybe I'll get for 8 next hand round to trigger more. Do need more scoring. All my scoring currently just comes from that magician would be great to stick on. Figure something. That's worth a death, in my opinion. A roll is probably worth it here. If it weren't perishable, like, even if it were just till I take it, I really must play 5 cards. I'll deal with it. I'll play 5. I'm gonna sell the Mars while I play these 8s, just in case they both trigger. It's doubtful, but it's possible, and I lose value. Justice card, that's pretty solid. I can play it. I want to play it alongside the spades to maybe lose. Maybe I put this here. Save it. I'll play it or maybe I just do it like. Maybe I just play it like this. Let's win. Maybe get a lucky trigger. It's alright. I feel like my brain's running. I need to just slow down and just slow down. Take my time. I'll go more magician. I'll go with a wheel spin. It's alright. Get in here. Considerations. Go for it. Not gonna be flicking it. That. Okay, that was dumb. That was really dumb. Get to go home tomorrow. I've been counting down the days. Didn't think I'd miss home as much. Thankfully, I do get to go back. 20 malt, malt. It's alright. Ice cream is about to naturally die, which is crazy. I rarely have ice cream last this long. But I bet you I'm gonna replace it right now. Rest in peace to one of the goats. Great Joker ice cream is. He just lasted so long. What did I have him from, like, the very start of Ansi 1? Made it midway through Ansi 4. He's a goat, I'll tell you. Gonna get an 8-ball trigger here? 8-ball? Shouldn't have. Love my 8-ball. Such a... If I get a death, I'm probably gonna hold it until that card right there. I'd be willing to discard, like... Ignore that 8. Over here for supernova value. The lucky triggers. A money trigger off one of these luckies would be fire. 8-ball is on the chopping block this shop. Maybe for a misprint. Misprint's helpful for a decent amount of time. Bring a magician with me. I guess I'll pick up the misprint. Do enough. Oh, once more. Ooh, photograph, you say? Think that's gonna be a buy. Wow, I like that decision, especially on the wall here. To the end. Hope I get a lucky trigger before. Fringe. That's probably not my best, but play something. Maybe I even have to do the good king. That's something. Lucky trigger? Seriously? Okay. Well, let's hope I find that king. There it is. Okay. It's really now or never. Pray for one. Oh, a lucky trigger. That might have won it. Saved by the bell. The glass decision was absolutely fantastic. Photograph pickup, fantastic. A lot of luck went into that, but you need some luck sometime. We'll just keep trucking. Yeah, that glass really saved us. Red seal saved us. All saved. Trigger all of them now. It wins. Okay, well, that's great luck I got on that one. Truly. I mean, these lucky cards might be the worst ever. Might be the worst to ever do it. Miserable. Egg, I think is worth. I need scoring. badly. Can't find any. Like, I need, I don't know, like a Chad. Do really, really need a Chad. I think we gotta just keep pushing for. Should be good. 20 mult, that's good. Spades do nothing for me. Play spades. Kidding? Please? Dude, I'm getting nothing. I'm getting so unlucky. Alright. I don't think we need to play the king. They don't. 20 bucks? That's good, but money would have been better. Or no, the mult would have. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm just hoping. Yeah. Alright. And yeah, I forgot I had Acrobat. Acrobat gave me like a bunch of points on that last hand. Yeah, maybe I'm coping too much. Maybe I'm fine. So, Jupiter. I think I'm really just coping too much. That's okay. Blow up. What the fuck? Okay, well, gotta get the abstract joke. I don't think I have another joke, right? Or maybe vampire? No, I can't have vampire. Vampire sucks. I'm gonna pick up abstract. Okay. Here we go. Tooth. Oh, fuck you. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna farm for my last hand. So I don't spend that much. Farm for my last hand. Like this, right? Sell both of these and I'm still above the entry. Okay. Don't throw. I didn't throw. Don't break. I didn't break. Oh, let's go. Okay. No, I'm kind of goated for that. I'm really kind of goated for that. Yes! Lord, yes. Okay. Bye-bye abstract. Hello. I just asked for it. Ask and you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. Give me. Oh, not this time. Fine by me. I think making sun cards is the correct decision here. I'm in a way better spot now that I can, like this. Yep, that's why I did that. Beautiful. And now these hands I don't think I'm gonna need that at all, so I can discard it. Yeah, I just do this so I can extract money, but I know that that's not great on my stop using spades please game. Now take it a little bit seriously, so this blows the score out of the water. What? Oh, that didn't get out. Yeah, I mean that's good enough for me. Let's get out of there. We still made it safely. Now. I do want to scale my Jupiter up more. Fuck. I'll pick this up. That should be good to place on some art face. Dad would have banged them shit up. Fantastic. Discard 5 spades. This is good. I like this. A little luck. Okay. And discard spades. This because I'm not gonna play. Play it. 20 bucks. Mult. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Still looking for a bloodstone. I'm still looking for. Dusk would be good if it wasn't perishable. Forgot the word. Young man. Take it. Get rid of some spades. Still looking for a bloodstone. Wow. No discards is not perfect. Get through it. But like this should be 30 to 40,000 maybe. 46. This should be something higher than that. Lucky trigger. Bad lucky triggers. fine. I can do this, which is... I don't think this wins. I think my next flush will. Ooh. And I'm not going to play it because I don't even need to. Risk it. Just fine. Don't even need this card. If I can keep that card around, or ideally like make copies of it for the final round, I'm in it. I am going to do this first. Save a little bit. 2 Jupiters here would be huge. There's the first. And one more. Oh. It's be fine. The pillar is dangerous. Not bad, but it's dangerous. I could get in trouble with the pillar. I think I'm going to, but there is a world in which trouble with it. Shouldn't have to play. If I play spades early, yeah. Hearts around. Play hearts into them. Right, so if I discard hearts now, I can spades. I think that's the smartest move. I did play 1 hearts flush already, but that shouldn't have too big of an impact on my pillar game. Acrobat's still good. Still a E Joker, so I can't get rid of him. I haven't seen many hermits, I say, as I draw into a hermit. That's fantastic. A bloodstone dice. I like the idea of a cat here. I really, really do. So I think we can sell. I like the idea of a hungman. Once more. So I think, and even though it hurts, I gotta do that. This. And then I need to trigger this first. Hopefully. That's 58k. Alright, let's keep going. Should be somewhere in that same region. Really that bad, I can play a hearts flush. I'll play a heart. It'll be alright. Maybe I get some trick. Lucky cat. Yep, there. Comes a warning. Again. For this last one, I think I just kind of go all in on hearts, actually. That's the only move. Dice would be ideal. Dice. This is terrible. This is fun. And I could just play that now. Guarantee. Bucks. This is good. Well, that's actually going crazy. Oh yeah, look at that. Didn't even need to risk my guard. What's my boss block? If I get a bad boss, that's worst case. Crimson Heart, 1 random joke. I mean, that's kinda bad. It's not game ending. I can definitely play around it. I think best case scenario was I saw like Cerulean Bell. Maybe even Violet Vessel would have been a good one to see, right? No cat triggers. And I am very willing to sit here and play bad flushes to try and farm up cat. Leave me, a cat trigger and farming for a cat trigger. Ooh, $20 is fire. Look at this. Lucky me. Cat triggers. 1 out of 7 lucky cards. Yeah. I can definitely score a lot. Wait, where was I going with that? Just bragging. I should be wrapping this up. I really don't have that much to say. This was a fun seed. Oh, really? I'll be traveling home tomorrow. That's already recorded. Shit is it's a weird experience. Oh body. Talking to myself this time. Still goes out to self. One of these is gonna bang. I just know it. Oh, one of these is gonna be bucks. A cat trick. I think I want to try to go for a massive score last round, even though it's not gonna go that crazy. Big score. Try to disable. Maybe we hope the Supernova gets disabled for this last round. Fool would be. I can bring a fool. Never spin. Garbage. Yeah. Random Joker disabled. Now I just need to get to my last hand. Finding that one. Supernova. Wait, I won too soon. Fuck. Wait, that's so cringe. I am gonna go endless just to play it one time. I do really just want really badly. Really badly. I'm not ever gonna go endless. Just really want to do this one time. Promise. Just one time. We need to find it. If I could find it, that'd be. If I could find it, that'd be phenomenal. I'm not gonna find it. Hold on. Throwing? Is this life right now? Life right meow? Wait, I'm not gonna find it. This is cringe. Okay, I found it. Okay. This is gonna be the Giga. This is gonna be send off for this. Have a fantastic night. Hope you 100 million. 9 million. Not bad. Not bad. Good night.